Hello and welcome. Today we are going to look at the pistol cleaning. So here we have the Steyr Evo 10E, which is an air pistol. So first we'll check that the pistol is switched on. So we'll start with using a cotton pellet to clean the barrel. You can get these cotton pellets from a gun store and they're pretty simple to use. As you can see here, it's like an air pellet in a cotton frame. You can just insert the cotton pellet inside the chamber. We'll just uncork it and we'll insert that cotton pellet inside. So we'll close it and we'll fire it in a very safe place so that the cotton pellet does not bounce off and hit anyone. That must be taken care of well. And this is another method for cleaning the air pistol. We can use a wire here. This is specifically made for cleaning air pistol, but you can use any wire or a plastic wire. Here you can see that we inserted inside. You can use a felt cloth in place of the actual cotton pellet provided by the company here. Here we'll just put the wire through and you can see that we'll insert it all the way through and we'll have to uncork the pistol. We'll insert it there and we can just pull it out. We keep the pistol and you can see other dust particles that has been trapped there. So in order to clean the pistol from inside, we'll remove the mechanism and the grip. So you can see the complete video of the Evo 10E. I'll link it in the description as well. So we'll just use a felt cloth to clean this. This can be done in about 6 months, maybe depending upon the usage of the pistol and the dust that accumulates. But cleaning the barrel is a little bit more important, could be done at a weekly basis. So as you can see here, we'll just clean every visible dust particle from the pistol by using a simple felt cloth. You can use a tissue paper as well, or any other soft material. You can use a microfiber cloth as well. That's your choice. We'll clean all the parts as you can see here. You can also remove the cylinder and clean that area as well. You can clean the front part of the pistol where the barrel is. You can see how we're cleaning everything properly so that the pistol is well maintained. So this was the whole video. Thanks for watching.